I've been experimenting with some ways to take some magical shots here in my kitchen using the stuff I have in my cupboards. And today I'm going to show you how to take some tasty shots using food colouring. This is the setup I'm going to use for these food colouring cloud bursts. I've seen people use fish tanks and big lighting rigs. No, I'm going to keep it really simple. Drinking glass with some water in it, a light and some paper just to keep the background nice and clean, and a pipette. Now, you don't need very much in the way of food colouring. A little goes a long way here. So this pipette is ready. Let's get my camera ready as well. Okay, so it's all about focus and timing with this one. So let's see how we get on this first time around. Photo mode and drop away. There we go. Oh, you see, it takes a second for the camera to focus on the burst, and annoyingly it does mean that you might miss some lovely drops, and it is the focus that will make or break these images. So let me share a quick tip. On many phones, this one included, there's a setting called touch to take photo. I'm just going to turn it on here. And what that does is that now instead of pressing the shutter button on here, I can just tap on the screen, and tapping on the screen will focus and take a picture all in one go, which hopefully means that I won't miss some of these shots. So let's have another go. It's kind of preset like that and just test it. There we go. Right, get some food colouring ready and give it another go. There we go. Oh, there we go again. Lovely, there we go. Move the phone around a little bit and you get all of these lovely little after blooms as well. It's really quite surreal. I think we've probably got about enough from this water that we're going to get. It's going a bit too cloudy. So let's look at the shots that we've got. So there we go. That's where the glass was quite cloudy, but here we go. We can just see these shots dropping through. They look incredible. Look at that. And it is the focus. You can tell where it's not managed to work out the focus, but the shots where it is in focus, I think there's this kind of smoky feel, which looks really, really good.